Everyone's out here looking for that secret sauce or that cheat code or that one big break to get rich. They want that one viral video, that one TikTok to blow up, that one Instagram post to blow up. You feel me? They want to get rich off prize picks, gambling, all that stuff, right? Everybody wants that free game. But here is the free game. I'm giving y'all the free game right now. Nobody gets rich from one big moment. Nobody gets rich from just that one big break. That one big thing that blew up their channel. That one big thing that blew up that Instagram video. Nobody gets rich off of that. You feel what I'm saying? There is an actual secret to getting rich that nobody talks about as much because it's not sexy, it's not entertaining, it's not, you know what I'm saying, it's hard. And it's not easy at all. It's not fast at all. But it's 100% guaranteed. And it's the only way that you're gonna get rich, man. So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy GLX back with another video for y'all, man. And in this video, y'all, I'm gonna be telling y'all the one skill that actually makes you rich. None of this guru. I'm not trying to sell you a course. I'm not trying to do none of that stuff. You feel what I'm saying? None of that guru stuff. You feel what I'm saying? We don't do that on this channel. None of that motivation. None of that do this one thing to blow up your YouTube channel. Do this one thing to get rich. No. None of that crypto scheme, cryptocurrency. None of that shit. You feel what I'm saying? None of that. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, y'all, and comment down below what y'all want to see next, man. Let's go straight into it, man. Alright, so first of all, success isn't explosive. Success is quiet. Success isn't just one big moment. Success is multiple moments. Success is not a bunch of success is not just one big win that you have and it sets you up for the rest of your life. That's a lottery ticket. You feel what I'm saying? That's a lottery win. That's not success. That's not real work. You feel what I'm saying? Success is not that one viral YouTube video or that one viral TikTok. You feel what I'm saying? That's not success. Success is quiet. Success is 1,000 small wins that nobody sees. Not the one win that everybody saw, but the thousands of shots that you put up in the gym that nobody sees. It's not the game winner the game winning shot that you make at the end of the game or some shit like that. It's the thousands of shots that you put up in the gym that you miss. Some of them you miss, some of them you make, right? It's not any of those big wins that you post on Instagram. All of the balling stuff that you put on Instagram, it's not none of them, bro. It's the videos that you post that get 0 views sometimes. Sometimes they get 5 views, sometimes they get 10 views. It's the calls that you make to set up yourself for life. It's the rejections that you get when you're trying to wholesale real estate or you're trying to start getting into marketing. The people that reject you. It's the thousands of no's that turn into one yes. Because people don't see the no's, people only see the yeses. You feel what I'm saying? People don't see the millions of views that you didn't get or the billions of videos that you posted that didn't get no views. They only saw the viral video. You feel what I'm saying? There were levels that you had to beat to get to where you have to go to get rich. You feel what I'm saying? Because getting rich is just a marathon. It's like climbing steps. You feel me? And the way that you get rich is by staying consistent. That is the skill. That is the skill of that is the skill of getting rich. To get rich is consistency. You feel what I'm saying? The actual skill is not drop shipping, it's not crypto trading, it's not stock market, it's not none of that. It could be, because the one big skill is consistency. As long as whatever you do, you can do anything to get rich. Getting rich is so easy. You can do anything to get rich as long as you're consistent with it. You feel what I'm saying? Consistency is how you get rich. the compound effect is what consistency is. Consistency turns to effort, and effort turns into compound interest. One paycheck does not change your entire life. It doesn't change your bank account. But saving and investing, every single one of them does. You feel what I'm saying? It isn't just about the paycheck you get from your 9 to 5. It's about what you do with it. Do you invest that money into future investments, future assets that generate you more income? Are you going to put it into a better camera for your YouTube videos? Are you going to try and are you trying to save enough to buy a rental property? Or are you going to blow it on some Jordans, some Nikes, some Yeezy slides, all this stuff, some Nike Techs, you feel what I'm saying? Are you going to blow it on some parties, eating out, all this stuff, you feel what I'm saying? Because it all depends on your mindset. It doesn't depend on your bank account. It doesn't depend on your income. It depends on your mindset. You feel what I'm saying? There are people who work a 9 to 5 who can still, who are able to buy anything they want because they've invested and that investments are paid off. There are people right now making $100,000 per month who are still living paycheck to paycheck, effectively, because their lifestyle and their choices, their poor choices have called for that. You feel what I'm saying? One day at the gym, just like that, one day at the gym doesn't change your body. It's what you do over time. It's the fact that you keep going to the gym. You feel what I'm saying? You cannot change your body if you go to the gym one day, whenever you feel like it. You feel what I'm saying? There's a saying, the guy who goes to the gym whenever he feels like it will always lose to the guy who goes to the gym every day, regardless of how he feels. Even if you feel tired, even if you feel lazy, even if you feel unmotivated, if you go to the gym, no matter what, then you're going to see success. And you're going to change your body. It does not matter if you're hungry. It does not matter if you feel like you want to eat right now. If you keep dieting, you're going to lose weight. You feel what I'm saying? The guy who doesn't lose weight, they're not losing weight because they eat whenever they feel like it. You feel what I'm saying? They don't eat on a schedule. You feel me? There's a saying that I think this guy named Eric Thomas said it, right? Everybody wants to be a beast until it's time to do what beasts do. A beast shows up when the food is scarce. You feel what I'm saying? A beast works the 9 to 5, then grinds the 5 to 9. You feel what I'm saying? Let me say that last part again. A beast works from the 9 to 5, and then he grinds from the 5 to 9. You feel me? Most people stay broke not because they lack talent, but because they lack patience and they lack discipline. They want the dopamine hit of a quick win, but wealth moves slow. You feel what I'm saying? Most people, they want to win, but they don't want to become a winner. Let me say that again. Most people want to win, but they don't want to become a winner, because being a winner means doing shit that's hard. Being a winner means being disciplined. You feel what I'm saying? Being a winner means doing what winners do. Winners don't go out and club every day. You feel what I'm saying? Unless they actually got it like that. Winners, when they're coming up, they don't spend their money on going out. They don't spend their money on clothes. They don't spend their money on shoes. They don't spend their money on girls. They don't spend their money on parties. They don't spend their money on none of that shit. You feel what I'm saying? They stack their money and they make investments. That's boring. They do boring work. Winners do what's boring. You feel what I'm saying? Winners do what's boring now so that they can do what's fun later. You feel what I'm saying? Winners are very, very good at doing what's boring for them now to do what's fun for later. That's called, that's called delayed gratification. That's what that's called. Winners are very, very good at delayed gratification, but losers are very good at instant gratification. That's why, again, I say everybody wants to win, but nobody wants to be a winner, because winners are masters of delayed gratification, but losers are masters of instant gratification. You feel what I'm saying? I'm cooking in here right now. It's getting kind of hot in here. You feel what I'm saying? So, people ask me all the time, what's my plan? What am I gonna do? How am I gonna start my business? How am I gonna get the money to start my business? what am I gonna do, this and that. You feel what I'm saying? Like, my girl's dad was asking me how, like, he asked me what I'm finna do for the future, and I told him I'm finna start a business. He said, okay, cool. What you finna do? How you finna get the money to start a business? And I said, well, I'm finna get a job. You feel what I'm saying? And then he was like, a job? Okay. He was kind of like, you feel what I'm saying? He kind of like scoffed at that. You feel me? Because I don't have a magic idea. I don't got the magic bullet. I don't got any of that stuff. I'm just gonna show up every day. As long as I'm doing something every day, that's a win in my eyes. Because the old me would just low-key rest and relax all day without doing shit. He'd want to get some shit done, but he would never do shit. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not going back to the old me, especially not this year. You feel me? As long as I can get something done today, that's a win in my book. If I can at least post one video today, that's a win in my book. But I aim for more than just one video. You feel me? But if I can at least get one video posted, then that's a win in my book, and that makes me happy. You feel me? You can't lose if you don't quit. You put shots up all the time. Like I said, the quote has already been said, right? You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take, right? If you don't put up any shots, how you gonna know if you're gonna make it or not? You feel me? Putting up scores, putting up buckets, even when you don't score, is how you start scoring more. You feel me? So, master the skill of consistency, man. The skill of consistency is the cheat code to getting rich. That's the only way that you're gonna get rich, is consistency. There's no other way. There's no get rich quick scheme. There's no get money fast, get money in 30 days. No. Even if it's 30 days, you have to stay consistent with it. You feel what I'm saying, man? That's what I got for y'all, man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. Hey, man. Peace.